Alex, you're in the back.
Are we missing some kids here?
Shorter people in the front. And then one of the 3 rows. Smaller dudes up front. Scott, you're up here. Colin.
Are there any other kids? Come on, Colin, get in there, please. Okay, make sure everybody can see you.
Missing anyone?
No, we're not looking for anyone.
Okay, is there anybody? Where's Thomas?
Oh, wait, Walden!
Gotta get the coach.
Come on, guys.
We're just missing Olin.
Yeah, Olin ain't coming.
Those guys look cold.
All right.
Taylor, put yours lower, right there.
All right, what about a VI one?
Yeah.
Whatever you guys
do. The finger thing.
Hey, Thomas, look up. You're taking pictures. Forget your gloves. Looking over here.
Smile!
Thomas, I think they want you in there.
Everyone right here. Come on.
I don't even want to look because I'm going to fall in a pond.
Oh, hang on, Thomas.
Right there.
Rick Thomas.
Okay, make sure you can see me, your face. Okay?
Dude, yeah.
Did you do the VIP?
I can't remember how to zoom. Yeah, I can't remember how to zoom.
One more up here.
Oh my God, that wind chill factor.
Go. Thank you.
Bye. Thanks, Sue. I'll take the precious flag. Thank you. Oh.
Hey, Tyler.